Hi, I'm Maria Velastegui and I create a home and service business. And in my homepage, I explain that I start every facial with skin analysis. Then I proceed to do the facial using artistic products. And then I will ask for feedbacks to my clients to see how did I feel after the facial and did I see any improvement on their faces. And I also upload a video, 10-minute facial, so my clients can continue doing their facial in their homes using the products I recommend. I create this business for moms that deserve to have a break in their busy life, and also it's ideal for special occasions like weddings, where you're gonna be taking a lot of pictures and you want your face to look stunning. The products I'm using are from a company called Amway, and the line is called Artistry. And I don't sell these products on my website, but I give the credit so my clients can buy it. In the content ads page, I create a map so my clients can see where my business is located, and I create a button so they can text and call me immediately to make an appointment. In the pricing page, I create 3 different plans depending on how many facial treatments and skin analysis you want to get each month, and also create a form for my clients. I use Google AdWords, so as you can see, I was getting a lot of impressions. Went up. I set the $5 budget, but when I changed it to $3, my company went down. But overall, I think it went well with my 2 campaigns, especially with affordable facials in Utah. I also use Google Analytics to see if my page were working correctly, and also to see where my audience were. And I overall love this experience of creating a business, and I hope I will continue.